Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on these Beats Studio Pro headphones. So here's everything that comes in the box. The headphones come in this case. You got to unzip it, and then the cables are right there, little compartments. Here we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is what you're going to charge it with. Here we have a headphone jack. Now these are wireless, but if you want to connect these to a phone that has a headphone jack, looks like they're both the same size. So you're going to plug it in right here on this, looks like the left ear. They're labeled right here, left and right. So again, that is the same size. But you don't have to. You can use these with Bluetooth. You can connect these wirelessly to your phone. And then they bend over center like that, and then that's how you put them into the case like that. So they do fold up very, very nice. They are soft. I can extend them. And again, I'm going to charge them right here on the right ear. So this is the right ear. That's where you charge it, USB-C. You're going to plug this in, and we got to plug this other end into an outlet. So I'm going to plug this wall charger into an outlet, and it's got USB-C coming out. So let's plug them in, get them charged up. And let's see what happens. We've got some lights right here that are telling us the status of the battery charge. Now right above those lights, that's the power button, and it's also the pairing button. So you're going to turn them on with the power button right there. Okay, you got to press and hold it a little bit. Okay, the power button, you're going to press it for about 1 second. And that turns them on. Now, if you want to go into pairing mode, you're going to hold it for about 3 seconds. Then you'll get a pop-up on your iPhone asking if you want to pair them. They don't really talk to you in the headset. Now over here, this is the pause. On the left ear, you got this center button and this up and down button. So there's like 3 buttons right here, center, up and down. And the middle one, single tap is pause or play. Double tap the center button is next track. 3 taps, previous track. Press and hold is voice assistant. Up and down is volume up or down. Now really there's only one label, left ear. This one's not labeled. And the right ear only has the charging and the power and Bluetooth. That's not a button. But on the left ear, that is a button, up and down. And they both do come out. Let's take some measurements. Now again, this cable, the headphone jack cable, is 53 inches long. And again, the ends are exactly the same. It's for a headphone jack. Now the USB-C to USB-C cable, it's 3 feet long. It's got the same end on both ends. It's for charging. Okay, so the headphone jacks, or the headphones, I'm sorry, from the center down to the center of the ear with it all the way extended is about 7 inches. With it all the way in is about 5.5 inches. Looks like about the maximum, it's about 9 inches. Let's do folded up. Yeah, they're super small folded up. 6, almost 7 inches that way. 5 inches, depth-wise about 3. Here's what the case looks like. It's about 5 by 7 by 3. Nice handle, it's got their logo. Zipper. You do get 2 stickers along with it also. Now these do have noise canceling. Now you do get up to 40-hour battery life, but it does take about 4 hours to charge them. If you can only charge them for 2 hours, you get about 24 hours of battery life. So I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.